Welcome to Easy Software. In this video, we are going to see how to do the daily item usage entry. In some production companies, they keep some items for daily consume usage. That material neither a finished material nor a raw material. To keep the stocks of such items correctly, daily item usage screen will be helpful for us. Daily item usage screen is also useful to register what are the items using for an order in contract or job work companies. Now let us see how to entry daily item usage. Go to stock menu. In this you can see daily usage command. Click that. Now the daily item usage screen appears. To which date we want to entry daily item usage, select that date and press enter key. Next, it will ask item code. Ready-made cloth stitching garment type companies use thread to stitch the cloth. In the same way, in packing section, they use gum. Now let us see how to entry these two items in daily item usage screen. Type thread in item code. Next, item name. Select the item which you want. Now type what is the quantity. Next, it will show section. In this, it will show the list of already typed section names. In this, you can select the name which you want, or else if you need it in new, you can type it here. Now we have selected stitching. Now the person who buys it or who consumes it, type that person name in the received by column. For example, Sendil. Next, if you need to type any notes regarding this, you can type it in the remarks column. For example, about that order, or if you have purchased anything on contract basis, the information regarding that you can type it in the remarks column. It is not compulsory to type in it. Now press enter again. It will come to the next line. Now you can enter the next item. Now you can enter either item code or item name. Now we leave item code blank and press enter. In item name, let us select next item. For example, camel gum. Next, type the quantity. Again, select the section where the item is usable, or if you need newly, type it. In next column, type who buys that item. Next, in remarks column, if you need any notes regarding that, type it or else leave it as blank. If we have taken only these items for usage means, leave item code and item name as blank and press enter. It will ask whether the item selection is completed. Again press enter. It will ask whether to save it. Again press enter. It will show you the message that it got saved. Now if you press enter, the screen gets refreshed. Now in this same date, if they take another item for usage, again select the same date and press enter. The entry will show as it is. It will show a new line on its own. In this type, the item which they are taking for usage, for example, if they take glues, type that and continually type its quantity and save it. Now again leave the item code and item name blank and press enter. It will ask whether the item selection completed, press enter, and it will ask whether to save it, again press enter. It will show the message that it got saved. Now again press enter. The screen gets refreshed and show you an empty screen. If you need to export this daily item usage entry, click export Excel or print and export. The content which you have entered will be exported. Now let us export the data which we have entered. Now we have entered in the date 5th. So select the date 5 and press enter. It shows the entry which we have done. Now click export Excel. That content directly exports to Excel. Like this, click print and export. This content exports in an A4 sheet format. In this, you can do the page alignment options on your own. Next, if you need to send this report in email, you can click the button email as and send the report. If you want to export this into another format, click this. In this, select the format which you want. Then this content exports to that format. Also, the daily item usage screen is helpful to register what are the items used for an order in a contract and job work based companies. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in another video. Thank you.